Hello, this is Ipshita from dreams2destiny.in. Welcome to another interesting episode with me, which is based on how to manifest an apology from anyone. Yes, anyone, no matter how the bad the situation is, no matter how ugly the past was. Okay, we are getting it all. So, we all definitely have that particular person in our lives from whom we feel like we have a long due apology pending, so we are going to get it through this video. So stay tuned till the very end to understand this particular process. Okay. Now, before we begin, let me address the elephant in the room. Any of you who are watching the video and are not clear with the basics of law of assumption or manifestation might feel guilt around making somebody apologize. Okay. There's this question of morality that if we are going against somebody's free will and pressurizing them to apologize, or how does this even work? So let me try and free you from the guilt by explaining how this works in the first place. How this works is when you are trying to make somebody apologize, you're not manipulating them to apologize to you. Okay, that's not at all the question. Instead, what you are doing is you are attracting a particular version of them from the universe that wants to apologize to you. So there are infinite possibilities of the same person, right? In one of the parallel realities that exists in the universe, they feel sorry and they want to apologize to you. Okay, so today we'll learn how to energetically connect with that particular version and actually get that apology in your reality rather than it being a figment of your imagination. Okay, so I very lovingly call this method thought bombardment, even though in traditional manifestation communities, it is called as thought transmission. This is just a personal choice because whenever I use the word thought bombardment, it makes me feel very powerful. It puts me in that authoritative position to command the law to work for me. So yeah, I am going to address it thought bombardment in this particular video. So how do you think a particular person can apologize if that person is feeling guilt, right? So what you do is you take a photo of this particular person, or even if you do not have a picture, that's totally fine. Just visualize their face, right? And talk to them as if you're talking to them in real. Command them, okay? Just bombard them with guilt. Tell them that I know you're feeling guilty right now for so and so things that you have done to me. You are getting suppressed under this immense pressure of guilt so much that you want to unburden yourself from that guilt. Okay, you feel like apologizing to me right now. That's why you are picking up your phone and giving me that long due apology. Okay, so this is going to be your process because every thought that you're sending towards that person carries some energy. When you intensify the energy enough, that person takes the step to apologize to you. That's the simple, basic, fundamental, right? So you keep bombarding that particular person's mind with a lot of guilt, which is the very core emotion that makes somebody want to apologize. Okay, so you're filling this person's mind with guilt so that they have no other way but to give you that long due apology, right? So this is the exercise you do. Do it every single night before you sleep. I am pretty sure that you are going to feel extremely powerful while you do it. You can actually feel that person's energy reeling under that guilt because whenever I have tried this method, I have felt it all. I felt that other person's energy, and I'm sure you're also going to feel the same. But yes, give this a try. Okay, I am sure it's not going to take you a lot of time to manifest that apology, and definitely mention your results in the comment section if you have tried this method. I'll wait for you. Until the next episode, bye.